outside. My contactor was not pulling in. So immediately after doing this for a while, I knew to actually come down here first to see if my transformer was actually functioning. All right, guys, well, I tested the low side, and now I'm hooked to the board. I took the leads off the high side on the high voltage side of things, and I've got it hooked to the board. All right, go ahead and flip that switch for me, brother. Hold in on the door. Okay, we've got 120 volts flowing on the board, but we're not picking it up through the transformer, guys. So what it is it's not allowing me to get my low voltage. So let's try putting a transformer on this puppy and see what happens. All right, guys, we got a new transformer here, and I'm wiring it up for 110. So basically what I do is I got it in my little tool here, and I'm going to slide the wire in here like so, and then we're merely going to crimp it. And it gives it the perfect crimp every time. Look at that. Okay, guys. All right, guys. AC's working again. All right, y'all.